Hello and welcome to the demo of VidProposals. We built the solution to make it easy for business owners like you to find, prospect and close leads. With VidProposals, you can offer personalized videos and contracts. Once accepted, your client can sign them and we track everything. This is how you use VidProposals. Step 1. Log into your dashboard and start creating your first video proposal. There are 2 ways to create a proposal. You can start from scratch and use our video recorder to record a video. This can be on camera, on screen, or a mix of both. And you can do that with the Chrome extension we provide you. For best results, I like a mix of both, so I can personalize my proposal. Usually, in these videos, I talk about how I can help my client's business. Alternatively, you can also use one of our preset templates. With an easy search feature, you can find a proposal that works for you. You can search for the niche and/or the service type. Our team has created many of these proposals for you. In fact, as you can see, we have also created professionally recorded videos that help point out the problems that your prospects are currently facing. These videos then help highlight how you, as a service provider, can solve these problems. These templates also have ready-to-go proposals or contracts you can use. With our built-in editor, you can edit these contracts as you want. Insert additional videos, images, text, and even customize your pricing. In fact, you can even embed external links and calendar links here. Everything you need to make your proposals interactive and ready to be signed. Now let's go into step number 2. This is the easy part. You can share this proposal with your prospect. You can even embed it on your website if you wish. You can add a custom thumbnail as well as a call to action in your videos. Now here's the best bit. With VidProposals, you can collect e-signatures from your clients. In fact, once you share the proposal with a client, this is what it looks like to them. Your client can review the proposal and sign it. Once they do, you get a confirmation, but not just an email confirmation. VidProposals locks in the contract, so neither you nor your client can make any further changes. They can also download this contract, and so can you. On your end, you can see the client's signature, the date of signature, the email, and the IP address. You also see a confirmation of the total proposal value, which for you is a sale. Now here's step number 3. In this step, we will help you find prospects. It is possible that you already have prospects in mind, which is great. But if you don't, you can use our Lead Gen Deal app to generate leads from anywhere in the world. Simply pick a niche and add a location. So you can search for real estate leads in New York or restaurant leads in Los Angeles or in London, anywhere else. This app will help you instantly find leads that you can reach out to and close. VidProposals and Lead Gen Deal apps combined give you leads and an ability to close these leads professionally. No need to go back and forth over emails with misplaced documents and contracts. It is now time for you to use VidProposals to streamline your business.